Okay, so now yung magiging problem natin sa example na ito is we will write a Java program. Okay, so we will write a Java program that asks the user for the length. Okay, so wrong spelling yung length natin. Okay, so write a Java program that asks the user for the length and width of the rectangle. So ito yung basically yung magiging problem natin. So ang gagawin natin dito is we will calculate. Okay, so we will calculate and display the area of the rectangle. So yun yung basically yung problem na gagawin natin. And yung magiging formula natin dito, so area is equal to length multiply by width. So yan yung magiging formula natin ngayon sa program na to. Sa una is since we already have yung ating scanner, so magde-declare lang tayo ng variable for scanner natin and ang ilalagay natin na variable will be read na lang ulit. Then we will create yung scanner na yon, sasabihin na for system.in yung scanner na yan. So basically, we're going to read yung mismong user input natin. After that, ay maglalagay tayo ng system.out.println. Then, ang sasabihin natin dito is i-enter niya yung length. Okay, so enter yung length ng ating rectangle. Then, after that, gagamit tayo ng double dito. I-declare natin yung length na variable. Then, equal natin siya sa read dot next double. Okay, so kakopy natin. Then, pag IT ka, kailangan marunong ka mag-copy and paste sa code. Kasi yun yung nagpapabilis sa'yo. So, enter width. So, papalitan lang natin ito ng variable na width. Then, after that is we will apply na yung mismong formula natin. So, ito yung formula natin. Kasi we already asked yung length and width ng ating rectangle. So, ang gagawin natin is magde-declare ako ng data type na double. Tatawagin ko yung area na variable. And then, equal ko siya ngayon sa length. And then, multiply by width. So, semicolon, kagaya ng ating formula. Then, after that, ay kukunin natin si system.out. Lagyan natin siya dito. And then, ang lalagay natin dito, the area of the rectangle is, then tatawagin ngayon natin si area. Okay. So, i-run natin yung program. So, una, meron tayong length dito. So, pag nag-declare tayo ng, for example, 5, and then yung width niya ay 3, ang magiging output ng rectangle natin dito or yung magiging area ng rectangle natin dito will be 15.0. Kasi multiplication po yung ginamit natin dito. So, length is 5 multiply by 3, which is yung width. So, 15 po yung output. So, the area of the rectangle is 15.0. So, ganito lang naman ginagamit yung scanner natin. Also, kung paano ginagamit yung double na data type, and then yung mismong read natin or yung variable ng scanner natin. Okay, so basta guys, ito yung printing. Okay, so pag gumamit ka ng plus, ibig sabihin your concatenate or pinagsasama mo yung instruction at saka yung mismong variable natin.